What USB do I use to record Dashcam and Sentry Mode? And what scary situation did we run into recently? Keep watching. Hi, I'm Joy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I document my Tesla Model 3 owner experience to help new and future owners learn more about this car. If you find this video helpful and informative, please consider subscribing. Before I jump into today's video, please check out these fun decal stickers for the Tesla Model 3 that one of my viewers, Christian, has made. You can order yours from the link in the description box down below. Lately, I've been asked quite often by other Model 3 owners about the type of USB drive I use for Sentry Mode and Dashcam. The reason being, Tesla recently did a software update which now detects the speed that USB writes file onto the drive. And if the file writing speed is too slow, you would get a warning message on the car screen and your Dashcam or Sentry Mode won't work. So I wanted to share what I've been using that has not caused me any issues whatsoever. And I have a disclaimer that this is not my original idea to use this USB. I watched another YouTube video by Tesla DIY, and he got that idea from another YouTuber. So I'm really just spreading the news around. And what it is a USB reader that on one side you plug into the USB port, and on the other side you can plug in directly into your iOS or Android devices and review the saved files right on the spot. Since this is a reader, I bought separately a micro SD card that has faster file writing speed to insert into this reader. And this combo works together for my Dashcam and Sentry Mode. And what I love about this solution is if I save a clip, I no longer have to unplug the USB, take it into the house, plug into my laptop, and view the footage that way. I can very easily just plug it into my phone while sitting in the car and review whether it's Sentry Mode or Dashcam footages right on my device. Alternatively, you can also use the SentryView app along with its recommended Wi-Fi enabled USB to view your saved footage that way. Now, let me tell you about this scary and crazy situation that we caught ourselves in recently. One night, we went out to an early dinner. It was myself, my husband, and our daughter in the back seat. We were driving on this road that has a lot of traffic, as you can see. We were just going with the flow. All of a sudden, these men ran across 3 lanes of traffic from the opposite side of the street onto the center divider and stopped right in front of the car that's ahead of us. And they were just going at it. My husband noticed that the guy in the brown shirt had a knife. I was really concerned at that point because I didn't want to have someone taking out a gun and start shooting indiscriminately. So thankfully, we were able to maneuver around this brawl, and I dialed 911 immediately and gave them all the information. As we were driving away, as you can see from the side view, it seems like they start to calm down because they pretty much stopped the traffic. Maybe somebody had told them that they were calling the police, but we could see that the guy in brown shirt started to walk away and the other men didn't really pursue him from that point. Later on, when I checked the Citizens app, I saw that our call was logged, but I did not see any subsequent calls stating that anybody was injured, and so I did not submit this clip to the police. But that was pretty crazy, right? As scary as that situation was, I was really thankful for the Dashcam feature, because if they were to start hurting each other or coming at us, I would have the evidence and proof showing who these people were, and hopefully the police could catch them. Have you encountered any scary or crazy situations like these and recorded them on your dash cam? Share your link down below. Once again, if you liked this video and found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Give this a like, make comments, ask questions down below. Until next week, God bless.